Hi, this is Chris Gould with Geeks On Tour, and this video is about adding Google Photos to a custom map. So if you're making a map and you want to add photos at the places where you've been on the map, this is very easy. Number one, you must be using Google Photos. Number two, you need to make an album and have the photos that you're going to use on the map. And number three, you use Google's My Maps with the same Google account as the photos. So let me show you how. First of all, I am at Google Photos just to show you that where the photos are. Make sure you're logged in with the appropriate account that you're going to be using, and here are all the photos for this account. In albums, I have made a specific album called 2017 Photos for Map. Okay, now you go to Google Maps, making sure you are logged in with the same account. Then you click the menu and Your Places and Maps. And we've already started working on this map, 2017 Geeks Go to Work. And there are the markers of where we've been. Now, what am I talking about with photos? Well, on this marker, I click on the marker, and there is a photo of our home. I click on this marker, and this is where we stayed overnight at a Cracker Barrel. There's a picture of us in the parking lot and from the window of the Cracker Barrel. This marker has no pictures, but it is the Escapees Rainbow Plantation, and I definitely have some pictures to add there. Notice there are no tools right here where this is kind of a preview. To get to where you have the tools to add pictures, I need to click this back button and then open in My Maps. That's what the editor is called, is My Maps. Now I have these tools, I have this listing of each stop over here. I can click on this marker for Rainbow Plantation in Alabama, and I have some tools down here, one of which is add an image or video. I don't do that very often. You can add images that you get from other places besides your photos, but it's easy. If you use Google Photos, that's what Your Photos means. I click there, and it will show me the albums that are in this account's Google Photos. And here is that one, 2017 Photos for Map. And I want the pictures from Alabama. So this is our parking spot at the Escapees Park in Alabama. I select it, and that gets added to this place marker. Now, I can add another one by clicking on the little plus. So plus, and this is Jim flying his drone at the plantation. And I want to add one more, and here is the actual sign for the entrance to the park. I'm done. I click save. That saves that marker, the things that I did to that marker. Let's go on to the next one. The next one is Walmart for the night, and I do have a picture, so I click on the camera and find the picture that goes with that marker, select, and save. Now this next marker, I do already have pictures. In fact, I have 3. And I've decided that, even though this was our first stop in Texas and that sign seemed appropriate, this was not taken at this spot on the map. So I think I want to remove that. How you remove a picture is you click on the pencil to edit this marker, and then find the picture you want to remove and click the trash can and save. And that is just how easy it is to add pictures to map markers using My Maps and Google Photos. Now, if your pictures are not in Google Photos, then you can use a previous method, which we did a video number 329. Watch that one for pictures that are not currently in Google Photos.